listeners, wherever you are, how are you today? I hope you are in good condition and ready to study English with me. For today's lesson, we are going to develop your speaking skill, kemampuan berbicara. And we are going to use picture, so one picture, one story. So before that, seperti biasa ya, jangan lupa di like and subscribe. Okay, are you ready to study with me? Nah, pada saat ini, we are going to see this picture. Look at this picture. Coba dijawab pertanyaannya. You answer the question of who, what, where, when, why, and how. Look at this cute boy. Menarik kan? So, we are going to study by learning how to speak by using this picture. Mari kita jawab pertanyaan yang tadi ya. So, let's see here. Look at this picture once more. And you can see who, what, where, when, why, and how. Who, siapa? Oh, a boy. Jangan lupa ya, vocabulary-nya harus kita cari. Kalau kita tidak tahu, kita cari vocabulary-nya. Lalu what? Oh, kalau what, saya mau tulis baik ya. And then for where, di mana? Oh, around his neighborhood, lingkungan tetangga. And when, itu in the afternoon. And why? Oh, because he can ride bicycle. He can ride his bike. And how? By riding around his house. Nah, kata WH questions yang kita buat sebagai clue di sini akan kita ubah menjadi sebuah cerita dengan merangkaikan jawaban yang ada pada di kolom sebelah ini. So, let's see bagaimana nanti ceritanya. Ini seperti ini. So, in this picture, I see a boy with his bike. He stops riding his bicycle because his father takes picture of him and his bike. He looks happy because he has learned to ride bike for 2 weeks and finally he can ride it. He is riding his bike around his house happily. Okay, so let's see here. Bisa nggak dapet cerita yang lain? Ya bisa, misalnya in this picture, I see a smiling boy with his bike. He is very happy because his father is taking picture of him and his bike. I think he is riding his bike on the street because I see a motorcycle behind him. And he is riding his bike around the neighborhood because he has some friends to play with. Nah, ini adalah versi kedua yang kita bisa buat ya. Jadi versinya sebetulnya tergantung dari bagaimana kita membangun cerita tersebut berdasarkan gambar yang kita punya ya. Okay, now let's continue to the next. Nah, look at this picture. Find the picture that you like. Seperti tadi, kita harus menjawab pertanyaan who, what, where, when. Kalau bisa ada why dan how. Kalau tidak bisa ya 4 itu sudah cukup untuk membangun cerita. Nah, let's see here. I give you examples. Who, kids, and then what, food, where, at kindergarten, and then when, during break time, and why, they have break between sessions because they study at school, and how, by eating and socializing. Jadi kita akan merangkaikan kata-kata yang ada di sini untuk menjadi sebuah cerita yang bermakna mengenai gambar tersebut. How do I make it? Let's see the example that I give you here. Nah, ini contohnya. In this picture, there are some kids with their food. They are kindergarten students. 3 of them are having their food and so other kids. Jadi ada beberapa anak, tapi yang 3 ini lagi makan yang menjadi fokus dari punya kita ya. Lalu during the break time, they can socialize and share food. The girl looks at her food and tries it. And there are so many stories that you can tell just by looking at this picture. For example, you can say, I see some kids and I think they are in their kindergartens. And I think they have break time. So during break time, usually students are allowed to eat and share their food and also at the same time tell stories with their friends. Those 3 kids look happy because they have their food, and I also see some other kids, some other students who also have their food. I think I like a kindergarten class because I can play, I can sing, I can eat, which is not in my class now. Nah, itu adalah contohnya ya. So, let's see here. Why don't you practice by yourself? Saya akan berikan contoh mengenai gambar ini. Silakan dibuat what, who, when, where, and if it is possible you use how and why untuk membuat cerita sendiri. Nah, itulah pelajaran untuk hari ini. That's the lesson that you study. I hope you can develop your speaking skill ya. Thank you for joining me and see you again another time. Bye-bye.